A lot of people judge, especially the businessman, the politician, not only with like the firm or grip, the hard the grip that you have, but also with the extension of arms, like how much you are extending your arms. That usually, as far as I know, signifies the power, how powerful you are. Or maybe that's the general societal terms, or maybe the misconception. So how does the handshake work while you are having a handshake with someone, or you are just seeing it on a screen?
Okay, so I think handshake itself is a big chapter in the
Oh, yeah.
vocabulary of body
But
language.
very, very quickly, I mean, to
Yeah,
the
so what
layman.
happens is understanding people from handshake. It starts by how much of palm contact you have, right? If I'm
Hmm.
trying to give you like a
Just the fingers.
yeah,
Yeah,
either
like,
the fingers
yeah.
or just the part of my palm that doesn't really be involved in shaking my hands with you, you will not get a good feel. You might feel this
Hmm.
person is not really that interested in
Hmm.
conversing with you. So see, in the Indian context, you also have to understand that somewhere that gender plays a role, although
Correct.
it's not
Correct.
that much now in at least the business environment.
Hmm.
But when I have seen handshakes in not a very professional setup, even if it's a business environment,
Hmm.
people don't give a very good handshake cross gender.
Hmm.
Now
Correct.
if I'm judging that you don't want to shake hands, it could just be that the person is not used to shaking so many hands cross gender,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So how
Hmm.
much of the palm is involved? Another thing is that palm sweaty? Because
Hmm.
our palm sweats only under discomfort,
Hmm.
not when you are feeling hot, right?
Correct.
So that means there is some discomfort, there is some anxiety in meeting you as a person, or maybe the deal itself, or where they are coming from, the
Hmm.
situation,
Hmm.
something is putting them off. So that's just the palm. Now,
Hmm.
how many times you shake the hand? I'm sure if you've seen any kind of handshakes gone wrong, one of the things
Hmm.
will be how long you just keep
Yes.
holding that other person's hand. Because
Hmm.
this is it's like you're physically in contact with somebody. It has to
Hmm.
be big, fast and quick, and then you have to let go. So
Hmm.
if it's a prolonged exposure to contact, the other person doesn't start feel, or they don't feel that good, right? And the third one is how extended the hand is.
Before you, sorry to cut off, but before you move into the third one, what you said, the extended duration of handshake,
Hmm.
usually I have seen this in politicians. In a lot of politicians, there's an extended period of handshake between the ministers, between the cross-country diplomats, and all the rest of us. Does this signify something?
So, see, in that sense, there are two, three reasons why this might happen,
Hmm.
especially for politicians, because there's a lot of power play going on,
Hmm.
right? So, we've written a lot of articles. If somebody is interested, they
Okay.
can go and read it. But the idea is where who's standing, who starts with a dominant handshake, who
Hmm.
puts their hand up, then there will be the other person putting their
The
hand on
second
top
hand,
of
yeah.
that. So, all that keeps happening we talk about politicians' handshakes, right?
Hmm.
A prolonged handshake could also be because rapport building is happening at that time. So they might also be talking, conversing, and they are very aware of the cameras. They want every media journalist to catch that handshake on the camera. So if they don't give you that much of time, how does it happen?
Hmm.
So all this is going on, that while I'm shaking hand, I'm getting that chance to communicate whatever small talk I want to do. So maybe they're not focusing that much on the handshake,
Hmm.
or they are trying to retaliate that power play
Hmm.
happening,
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
they are trying to pose for that clicks to happen by the media journalists. So that's why a lot of context has to be built into any time we are trying to analyze a situation using body language as a tool.
Hmm. Also, being on top of someone's hands, being more dominance.
Yes. So that is there, that
Hmm.
when the palm is seen, the skin of the palm is lighter. So
Hmm.
it's evolutionary, that when you see my skin, you can see there's nothing in my hands. I'm not going
Correct.
to attack you. So from that extent, when you see somebody's palm, it shows them to be harmless.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
when a police officer puts the gun out, the person will do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Correct.
Look at my hands. So similarly, in a conversation, if I wanted you to speak up, I'll extend my hand, keeping that palm in an upward position, right? So
Hmm.
similarly, in a handshake, if I this is something that salespeople are taught, that if you want your client to feel on top of the situation or very comfortable, the minute they step and give your palm in a slightly
Hmm.
downward position.
Correct.
So similarly, this means submissive, friendly, open. So the opposite of that is this: when I make sure that you can't see the skin of my palm. So I'm trying to dominate, or I'm trying to tell you that I don't care what opinion you make of me, because I am the alpha here. So
Wow.
that's how. So there's, in that 2 seconds of that handshake, there's so many things happening. We've got these case studies where, you know, there's a wedding reception and the groom is going around shaking hands. I'm sure you all have those collections of pictures, so you can also just, you know, do that
Yes,
to all the
yes.
listeners. But what happens is, same person shaking hands with different people, you will see every handshake is different, because the way or the mood of the person at the moment, along with what is their dynamics with the person, along with whether they were expecting them, not expecting them, whether they are open to conversing with that person, not conversing with them. So all that you can see through how that same person's handshake in the same one event is different from person to person. So
Correct.
that's how it goes.